Nĩ thikũ ya kenda ya mũngũrũrio wa maabithaa a mbirarũ marĩ ũnyitanĩri na maabithaa a borithi kũng'ethanĩra na Ekinaĩ a ũici wa mahiũ na ũragani kaunti-inĩ cia Laikipia, Turkana, Samburu, Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet na West Pokot, Rift Valley ya rũgongo. Mĩhang'o ĩrĩa thirikari ĩrauga ĩthiĩte na mbere o wega, o tiga Ekinaĩ acio marageragia gũtharĩkĩra maabithaa a mbirarũ itũra-inĩ rĩa Kainuk, Turkana, no atĩ Ekinaĩ acio nĩ maraheirwo kĩrĩa maragĩrĩte.
The only incident that we had was yesterday in Kainuk, where bandits attempted to raid police and also attack members of KDF, and in the process I think they met what they were looking for, and they were repulsed, and we also arrested 2 bandits. These bandits are already charged in court, and investigations are continuing. We also recovered 1 firearm.
Gũkinyĩria rĩu mĩcinga 23 nĩyo ĩcoketio kũrĩ thirikari na Ekinaĩ acio kaunti-inĩ cia Samburu na Turkana.
Lakini ninajua ni majangili ambao hawana heshima, hawana utu, hawana nidhamu, na shughuli ya serikali ni kurekebisha na kuwatengeneza vilivyo hawa jamaa ili tuweze kuwaregesha katika hali ambayo wajua ya kwamba kuna sheria na utengamano katika nchi hii. Thirikari ikinyĩrĩirie atĩ mũngũrũrio ũcio ũmũrĩkĩte o itoi cika. Our business is to pursue vigorously and ruthlessly all bandits who are roaming around creating, instability, insecurity, and a source of concern to the area residents and to the country in general.
Riu thirikari iroria mũingĩ wĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra nayo nĩguo waganu ũyũ ũhuke kaimana gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩu.
Sawa, pengine wao wanajigamba ya kwamba wako na uzoefu, wako na nguvu, pengine wako na ujuzi. Hiyo ujuzi ni hapo tu, mahali wako, ujuzi wao ni hapo. Na wacha niwaelezee, hakuna kikundi chochote katika nchi hii ambayo iko na silaha kuliko serikali. Ninataka kuhakikishia wananchi ya kwamba hakuna siku majangili walishinda serikali. Hawa majangili tutawafikia na tutashughulikia wao na watakabiliwa jinsi inavyotakikana.
Hadui-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.